Welcome back to your favorite program on current affairs and politics, Core TV News, Core Digest. Now, before we go on, I want to bring you up on proceedings in the Election Petition Tribunal. One of the judgments that will go down memory lane in the Nigerian judiciary is the immediate case of the Supreme Court and concerning the Court of Appeal President Justice Zainab Bulkachewa, who removed herself from the panel, and immediately after that we have the Ekiti State Governor Fayemi who won his victory at the Supreme Court. His July 14, 2018 election was conducted in Ekiti State, and of recently in Zamfara State, where the All Progressives Congress completely were removed from the picture, and the other political party that came second has now been from Supreme Court to take over the government of Zamfara State at all levels. These are the judicial stories that are stunning and the face of Nigerians at this moment in time. And as we go on, first, we are going to be looking at the Nigerian Navy at 63, sailing on troubled waters. After then, we are going to be looking at the Supreme Court and Zamfara case, the lesson for Nigeria's political parties. So first, Nigerian Navy at 63. Yeah, we still have our two gentlemen in the studio, and we have Mr. Maxine Medioye, is a retired naval officer. To my immediate left, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And we also have Kayode Oyemakinde, legal practitioner, to my far left. Nigerian Navy at 63. You're a retired naval officer. So maybe you can bring sailing on troubled waters.
You see, there is no perfect situation all over the world. Every country has their own peculiar crisis that they are facing, or peculiar problem. Our own problem here in Nigeria has been the challenges of ethnocentrism and so many other issues like religion that has polarized the nation. But that is our own challenge, and it is surmountable. The only thing is the political will of the leaders, the political will to implement some policies on principles that will calm the nerves and make sure that peace reigns in Nigeria. Peace building itself is a critical issue and it's a process. It's not just about fighting war. You understand? Though sometimes crisis can erupt and it will lead to exchange of all those guns that you are seeing and all those kind of actions, you understand? But it's not all that Nigerian Navy is doing. There are a lot of diplomatic processes that...
Those are the processes we want to hear.
Yes, diplomatic processes that are going on. Even the army. I will use this. I will just refer to the armed forces generally. There are a lot of diplomatic processes that the armed forces are engaging with the community, with the traditional rulers and all the rest. Sometimes we have seen Nigerian Navy going to give free health services to communities and helping to develop the skills of youths and all the rest, and also giving assistance. Sometimes during a crisis of disaster and all the rest, you see Nigerian Navy going into giving assistance, community assistance, and all those.
Yes.
These are in a way to bring to build relationship, and once there is cordial relationship, this aspect of crisis coming up will be reduced. Just like my brother said, that if you marry, if a husband and a wife are living together and then they understand themselves, issues that will have resulted into crisis can easily be settled. You understand? That's proper understand. Exactly that is what the military, the armed forces are doing. And as regards the challenges that Nigerian Navy has in the Niger Delta, of course, as an arm of the armed forces, of course, what affects the whole nation presently affects the Nigerian Navy, because Nigerian Navy is not independent. We get our fund from federal government. You understand? And when the economy is not good, going good and too good, you cannot expect federal government to fund all your needs. You understand? But within the capacity, within the ability of the federal government, I think the Nigerian Navy has gotten some equipments. We have a lot of manpower, and also enough, which I would say, equipment that we use to help calm the area and to make sure that they are in control of those operations. As regards the threat that you just mentioned, my brother, I know that those things will come up, but I believe that it's going to be resolved at the community level at the end of the day.
Okay.